Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, today I'm headed to Trivandrum. I'm going to get back my laptop which was destroyed by some ants. That's a long story, I'll tell you on the way. Right now I'm on Poovar Road. It's actually a longer route to Trivandrum. I haven't taken the regular highway because that road is congested and the road is pretty bad. There are a lot of potholes. Although this route takes a longer time, I prefer this road because there is less traffic. There are very less potholes on this road. So it's actually more safe and relaxing to ride on this road often. You can actually carry quite a bit of speed on this road safely. And there are also a good amount of curves where you can lean a bit, and some routes are actually pretty scenic on this road. So I really prefer this road a lot. So coming to my laptop, actually what happened was, I think last month a lot of ants got into my laptop and I actually ignored it. I didn't make a big deal out of it. But just like 2-3 weeks back, what happened while I was using my laptop, it suddenly died. Then I opened the underside of the laptop to see what's wrong, and what I could see inside was that these ants had built a lot of nest on the PCBs and ICs, and because of that I think some ICs got short circuited and I lost full power. The battery failed to charge and also there was no power. The ants eventually went out themselves, but unfortunately the laptop died. Now the issue is placing the motherboard is very difficult because you don't get this particular motherboard in India, and even if you get, there's no warranty for it. It costs around 25 to 30,000 rupees. That's actually pretty wasteful because only three components have failed in the laptop as per the service centers, and replacing the whole motherboard doesn't make sense. So I was in search of a good service center in Trivandrum, and I found one. And what they do is they actually replace only the affected IC, so that is a chip level repair. It's very useful for customers like me because you don't have to replace the entire laptop. Just replacing that few ICs and power module is more than enough. So this shop's name is called Signature IT Solutions, and they're not that expensive also. So the whole repair for me cost just 3,500 rupees. It was 2,750 rupees for three parts, I think two ICs and one power module. 750 rupees for the service cost, so it is actually pretty reasonable. So if you want to repair your laptop, I would highly refer this service center to you guys. It's called Signature IT Solutions in Thaikad, Trivandrum. I'll leave the address details in the description below, so you can contact the service center if you want. They're really very good, and they also give you 1 month warranty for the work they do on your laptop. In my case, I had actually removed the hard disk and then given my laptop because I had some sensitive information on the hard disk. I didn't want it to be in the service center. I had removed my hard disk and then given the laptop. I had mentioned this also to the service center guys before handing it over to them. Now this road will lead us to the old NH highway, and that will be closer towards Balaramapuram. So it will actually be congested in around Balaramapuram till the junction. After we cross the Balaramapuram junction, the traffic will reduce. So we are right now in Balaramapuram, which is the old NH road, and there will be traffic till Balaramapuram junction. So this is what I dread the most. It's really congested. Obviously it's not as bad as before, but it's still congested, and I don't like riding or driving on this road. But once we cross the junction, it will be all right. Okay, so this is Balaramapuram junction and we are crossing it right now. Now after this, it's a three-way road. Okay, it's actually a two-way road, but traffic is much lesser and we can ride freely. We can actually ride pretty fast on this road, but you need to be a bit careful because there are a lot of speed cams. If you don't want a speed violation, ride within the speed limits. From here on, it's smooth sailing till Thaikad, where the service center is. So I'll catch you guys there. Okay, so here's a service center on the left. This is Signature IT Solutions. Let's park my bike and go get my laptop. So I received my laptop and I'm on my way back home. I guess it's alright right now, but I need to test it at home and see if the problem arises again. Anyways, now I think I'll need to update on my bike as well. I think through all these years I haven't ridden much, but still I actually love this bike a lot. It's not very reliable as you would have known from many other customers. There are some issues which are normal BMW traits. People who are used to BMWs know that these things are common. So parts do fail and it is a bit vibey. But each time you ride this bike, you have a grin on your face. It's difficult to get such a feeling in any other bike. So that's how much I actually love this bike. And also for the money, it's really good value for money bike. It might be the most underrated bike in the market right now, because the bike actually looks smashing. Anywhere you go, people just stare at it. It looks much more expensive than it actually is. It's that good looking, so that's a major plus for this motorcycle. So yeah guys, my long term update is that I really still like this bike, and it is a highly revving engine, especially when you go on a highway ride and you pin the throttle. You actually do get a very good feeling of the bike, although it is not as powerful as a high capacity motorcycle as in a 650 or 1000 cc motorcycle. For a 310 cc it's actually more than enough, and for our road conditions it's actually more than enough. So that's it guys, the bike is really amazing till now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.